In today's video, we're going to be unveiling the hidden powers of browser extension. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. We do a lot of coding tips in this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe because it will help me reach to more newbies. Now, let's get started. If you're looking forward to transforming your browser experience, this video is for you. If you're looking forward to automating tedious tasks, this video is for you. And also, if you're looking forward to managing your content, this video is also for you. What is a browser extension? A browser extension is a small piece of software that you can install on your browser to add new features, enhance functionality, or perform specific tasks. How do browser extensions work? Browser extensions interact with the underlying code of your browser, often using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. How do you find and install these browser extensions? Now, finding and installing browser extensions is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your browsing experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number one is you have to determine your browser. Make sure you know which browser you are using. Now, popular options include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. But for this video, I'm using Chrome. Now, you visit the web store. Now, each browser has its own web store where you can find and install extensions. For example, Google Chrome users can visit the Chrome web store, while Mozilla Firefox users can head to the Firefox add-ons site. Number three is you search for extensions. Use the search bar in the web store to find extensions that match your needs. You can search by keyword, category, or rating. Now, next point is you have to read the reviews and ratings. Now, before installing an extension, take a moment to read reviews and ratings from other users. This helps ensure the extension is safe, effective, and very reliable. Once you're satisfied, you can install the extension. You can click the Add to Chrome or Install button to add it to your browser. The process is usually quick and straightforward. Now, enough of the talking. Let's see the browser extensions that I personally use. Now, the first extension that I use is what we call AdBlock Plus. Now, this extension is quite an interesting one because it removes ads on YouTube or everywhere else when you browse. The next one is the Google Font Preview one. It helps you preview font styles of the current tab you are in. This might be in handy, or this might come in handy if you wanted to know the particular font a particular website is using or what or web page is using. Now, Live Server Web Extension is an existing server that you can run locally on your system. If you do a lot of programming or while coding, and if you are starting out, especially those with HTML, this live server will help you preview your code locally on your system. So this is not available online, it only works locally on your system. So I highly recommend you install live server. Now, the next on our list is the mobile simulator. Now, if you want to check your responsive testing, this is a very smart way to do this. Let me show you how it's being used. Supposing we head on to this Google page right over here, then we want to run the mobile simulator. When you have located where it's found under the extension, you click on it, and this is a very good tip of what it looks like. It helps you simulate what your web page is going to be on mobile phone. So this too is a very good extension, and as you can see, if you want to check other phones, you might want to subscribe to it. They say it's $4 per month, so you might want to subscribe for you to preview it on other devices. Now, the next extension on our list is called Momentum. This is a task manager. This extension helps you improve your focus from other distractions. It has a user interface that tells you, okay, I would like to focus on something. And if you pay close attention, there is a background sound that gives you this ambience of your focusing. And you can also decide to take a break if you want. The name of the extension is called Momentum. So you might also want to check this out. It's a very nice extension, especially for those that have multiple tasks and you won't like to manage your tasks seamlessly. Then you can go for it. The next extension that I use often is called Scribe. Now, if you wanted to simulate your screen or whatsoever, if you wanted to show your employer a step-by-step guide, or a friend of yours a step-by-step guide of how to do something, Scribe might be a better option for this. Now, when we tap on Scribe, you might want to sign in, of course, so that and after the signing in process, this is our dashboard. Whatever we record is going to be saved over here. You can preview it over here. Now let's take a look at how this is used. Now, when you want to start using Scribe, you have to click on the start capture. It gives you a notification that it has started recording your stuffs. Now, if we are to click on this, it saves that. It says you have navigated to so browser, and you click on the so thing. Now, let's say we click on concepts. You see it is being recorded at the right hand side of my screen. I will click on background script, the same process. So once you click on the complete capture, this is what it looks like. This is an example of what I was talking about. Now with this, you can decide to share it to whoever you're trying to show a particular tutorial on it. Either you are using their emails or whatever you want. And the last but not the least is Wapolizer technology profile. Now this particular extension helps you identify the web technologies a particular web page was built in. Now, if we head on to MDN Docs and we wanted to know what technology was used for this, I have to toggle that on. Let me toggle that on. I toggled it off, so it's now on. Now, if we head on to MDN Docs, let's check what technologies were used to come up with this. It says 15 over here. So this is what I was talking about. So these are the technologies that was used to come up with this site. The web server that was used was Express. The UI framework was Native UI. They used Vue.js as the JavaScript framework. Database was MySQL, and other programming languages there were mentioned too. Now, I hope you find value with this content, and obviously I hope you learned something that you would like to practicalize on your own free time. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe so that I will reach to more people. See you in my next video. Ciao.